Afternoon, everyone. It's a new week again for our IDA Investor Doctor Academy Weekly Futures Review. So before we enter the topic, I would like to do some advertisement first. All right. So below this video, we actually provide our free channel link. Okay, which is our YouTube link, Facebook, Telegram, and i3. Okay, so feel free to join these channels because they are free and you can get more insights about futures trading and any futures trading strategies and infos. Okay, so if you like our channels, please like and share and let more people know about this. Is a free platform to share about futures trading. So if you got any problem, just feel free to comment or PM us or contact by our phone number 011-5353-7589. Okay, so this will be the last review before Chinese New Year. So during our Chinese New Year, we will have an event. So please feel free to join us. We'll be on 13, February 17, and then from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. at our IDA Center. So the entrance fee just 38 per person. So let me tell you how what is this 38 ringgit. So by paying 38 ringgit, just a 38 ringgit per person, you are able to join our sharing section. You are able to ask any question about future trading. We will do more sharing at this event, and then we will have a gathering lunch together, and then more importantly, we have got a lucky draw. Okay, so by paying just 38 ringgit, you can eat, you can learn, and you can win a lucky draw. So this is very good. So if you're really interested about this event, just contact us 011-5353-7589. So let us enter our topic today. So we will do a review how market performed during the week, the last week, 28 to 1st of February. So let us look at the Malaysian market, because Malaysian market is a public holiday on last Friday, so only 4 trading days. All right, so let's look at the FKLI. Okay, what happened to the market for the last week? Actually, the US market is quite good, but the Malaysia tend to not follow it. So maybe because of long holidays, lack of farm support. Okay, so we can see here the Malaysia is still move in a sideways to higher trend. It's still in a triangle pattern, wait for a breakout. So we can see here is drop down and then going back, is still in a range. Okay, not much signal, but technically it's still more to bullish. We can see here technical indicators closing up, and also there's a higher lows here. Okay, due to I think it's supported by the US market, because the foreign index actually is not bad. It's continuing rebound. Okay, and then we move to FCPO. Okay, FCPO last week fundamental data is all released, is quite a mixed signal, so there is no big movement on the FCPO. So the next thing we need to watch out is the MPOB data, which will release on 10th of February. But 10th of February is Sunday, so will be released on 11th of February. Okay, so we can see here the Monday gap up and then continue to going down. Okay, enter a range. Okay, but technically speaking, it's actually enter ISI overbought technical correction. Okay, so we see the movement for the next week, whether got the wave, how the price move for the next week, to see whether this technical correction will continue or rebound from here. Okay, then we move to the crude oil. Okay, crude oil the last week, the US weekly stock data is more to bullish. So we can see here a strong rebound for the last week. So it's hit more than, I think, more than 2-month highs. Okay, it's testing rebound, continue to testing rebound, and there's a inverted head and shoulder signal here. So it's more to bullish. Technical indicators we can see here also more to bullish. So it's a good week for the crude oil. And then we move to a gold. Okay, gold, what happened for the last week? Okay, we can see here gold is quite bullish for the last week too. It's forming higher highs and higher lows, but maybe enter a possible technical correction because we see a doji and a red candle here, and the RSI is in overbought. So be careful of RSI overbought correction. Okay, but overall trend is more to bullish. Okay, because the USD is dropped, but the stock market is actually rebound. Okay, so these are very few times that we can see the Dow Jones and gold move in the same direction. Okay, so we can see here for the Dow Jones daily chart. Okay, last week is also a good week, also hit a highest since December, is also 2-month high. Okay, so it's more to bullish trend. We can see here the going down and then start to rebound. So for the stock market and commodity market, actually for foreign market is got supported by good news. So we can see here it's continuing to rebound, but the Malaysian market is still tend to wait for confirmation. So overall, these 5 markets we can see here is more to bullish. Also, it's a good week for the last week. So how we gonna trade for the next week? We move back to Malaysia first, and then we start with the weekly chart. So weekly chart still show no rebound signal yet because it's still below the Bollinger Band, middle line, and then the technical indicator is still not strong closing up yet. Okay, the daily chart also showing the same. So our chart will be the same, will be in a triangle pattern. Wait for confirmation. Okay, so for trend traders, okay, you can look for buy set out above the previous high, which is a breakout from this triangle pattern 1707. So 1707 above 1707, look for the buy set up. So if you are short-term traders, okay, we can see here the candle look to sustain above the middle line of Bollinger Band. So the first level, we can look for a buy set up near 1680 and then cut loss below the 1680 level. So because we expect that the candles will continue to sustain above this middle line. Okay. Otherwise, you can trade between this Bollinger Band channel because I believe that since the Bollinger Band is become tightening, so the trend may be become moved into a sideways. Okay, so we can maybe trade in range 1660 to the upper band of the band, which is around 1710. Okay, so got 3 direction. One, buy set up above 1707. Second, look for the buy set up near the support at 1680, and the third, trade in range 1660 to 1710. And then we move to FCPO. Okay, FCPO, we can see here that there is a technical correction. So we see whether got low the waves of the price movement, whether got higher highs, higher lows, or lower highs, lower lows to determine the next direction. Okay, so for the trend traders, I may suggest that at first we look at the weekly chart first. So the weekly chart is testing the upper band of Bollinger Band. Okay, so if the Bollinger Band can expanding its upside from these levels, meaning that the FCPO can continue to rebound, or they may also be a possibility retrace from the upper band of Bollinger Band. Okay, so we need to wait for more price action to confirm. Okay, and the average chart we can see here is already likely enter technical correction if below the 2277 this level. Okay, so there is a few trading strategy. First, if you are the trend traders, look for the buy set out above the previous height 2333. Okay, if you are short-term traders, look for the sell set up below this level 2277. Okay, so this is a 2 trading strategy for the FCPO. Okay, but the short sell is still for the short term because there is no long-term sell signal yet. And then we move to the crude oil. Okay, crude oil, if we look at the weekly chart, okay, still no confirmed signal yet because the technical indicator show no strong closing up and then still below the middle line Bollinger Band. Okay, the daily chart testing rebound, potential inverted head and shoulder signal, testing 38.2 VWAP retracement level of this swing. Okay, so possible continue rebound. Okay, so we can look for the buy setup above the previous height 5566. Okay, above this level, look for a buy setup, and then we look for more price action. If we got lower highs and lower low, then we switch to the sell setup. So watch out our channel to get more insights. And then we move to the gold. Okay, gold, we look at the weekly chart first. So we can see here gold weekly chart is approaching the RSI overbought, same with the daily chart. So there may be a possible technical correction in short term, but the trend is still more to bullish since it sustained above the 61.8 level. Okay, so maybe heading for the previous high around 1370. Okay, then the hourly chart, okay, it's starting going flat, so maybe got a potential technical correction. Okay, so below 1320, look for the short-term sell setup, and then above 1328, okay, look for the buy setup. So there's a two trading strategy. Okay, if you are a trend follower, look for the buy setup above 1328. If you are short-term trend traders, look for the sell setup, short-term trading strategy below 1320. Okay, at last we move to the Dow Jones. Okay, Dow Jones, we look at the weekly chart first. So weekly chart is now testing the 61.8 Fibonacci level. So we can see it's a little more to bullish, all green candles. Wait for confirmation because now it's testing the middle line of band. So the weekly chart showing is rebound but testing for confirmation. Okay, daily chart higher highs and higher lows, so it's more to bullish. Then we look at the hourly chart. Okay, it's going flat. So wait for the confirmation. We can look for the buy setup above 25,000 first, and then we switch to the sell strategy. If it break below 24,800, okay, so two trading strategy for the Dow Jones. Okay, buy above 25,000 level, and then look for a short-term sell setup below 24,800. Okay, so at the end we summarize the 5 major trading markets. Okay, so by conclusion, 5 markets is actually more to bullish, so we can focus on the buy setup first. But there is a few products, few markets that the short-term trend is with a potential technical correction. So if you're trading the short term, you can actually look for the short-term sell setup. Okay, so the price level you can look back the price that we mentioned. So FKLI is a sideways to higher. There's a 3 trading strategies, and then the FCPO is still in a rebound but with the RSI overbought, so a 2 trading strategy you can buy or sell. Okay, crude oil is more to bullish. So look for the buy setup above 55.66, and then watch out if it's able to break out outside of Bollinger Band, also the Fibonacci level. Okay, so the gold is more or less same with the FCPO. Is bullish but is in the RSI overbought correction, so you can buy or sell strategy at the price level that we mentioned just now. So at last, the Dow Jones is also bullish. Okay, but if short-term break down the 24,800 level, so you can look for the short-term sell setup, and then above 25,000, focus on the buy setup. Okay, so that will be my sharing about the futures market today. So if you've got any question, please feel free to comment, to PM, or contact our numbers 011-5353-7589. Okay, so I'm here to congratulate you all. So wish you have a happy Chinese New Year and happy holiday. So if you're interested in our event, just contact us to know more. So that will be all for today. Thank you guys. Thank you.